Good morning, children. Take out beta this page number 123 of SST class of SST beta. This was left in last video. Tea. This tea is an again important beverage in India. We are taking it again. Every home you find that people are taking this, and it is again an example of plantation crop. This tea grows well in the warm and moist free climate. Again, in Assam, Darjeeling, Jalpaiguri, parts of West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala are producing tea. But the next topic comes our agriculture development in India. If you find earlier people were not using the high yielding seeds, manures, fertilizers, and all these things, but over the years many efforts again have been made to make the farm production again to agree in again so many efforts have been made to increase the farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. This has been achieved through various efforts like increasing the crop area, the number of crops grown, improving irrigation facility, use of improved fertilizer, high yielding variety of seeds, many new farm employing equipments have been introduced to reduce the labor and save time and energy. India has been a great revolution India has seen a great revolution in agriculture sector between 1960 and 1983. India's food production increased almost three times because of the advancements in the agriculture methodology and its implementation. Because of the increased productivity, this period is called the green revolution. Okay, so what is there again? So many efforts are made beta to increase the farm production. Again, why we try to increase this farming production? Because there is again demand of a growing demand of this population. This is the reason people this farmer try to make many efforts to increase the production. This again how we can achieve, how we can have a more production, again by using the this proper by using the proper irrigation facilities. Again, if we will improve the irrigation facilities used, if use of improved fertilizer, high yielding variety of seeds, this helps in the production of crops. Again, a new farming techniques started use people started using new farming of techniques and plowing equipment. This help in again this helps to reduce the labor and save time and energy also. Again beta, India, if you find has seen a great revolution in agriculture sector in 1916 and 19, in between this period in 1983, India's production increased almost three times. Why? Because of the advancement in agriculture methodology and its implementation also. Because of this increased productivity, this period is called green revolution. Okay, next comes our livestock rearing. What is a livestock rearing actually? It's again it plays this livestock plays an important role in lives of the farmer. Livestock primarily means keeping the cattle, raising the cattle and dairy cows, chicken, goats, pigs, horses and sheep. Okay, some other animals like donkeys, mules, rabbits and bees are also raised as a part of livestock rearing. And farmers usually take up livestock rearing as a support activity to their mainline farming. Livestock provides a farmer with the additional income and provides them in their agriculture activities. So livestock again means a raising of cattle, dairy cows, chickens, pigs and all. And if you find, these are again providing the extra income to the farmers. Beta, come to the Phillips. First is our primitive dash farming is an old form of farming subsistence. Commercial farming is characterized by the use of high yielding variety seeds. Dash is the main crop, food crop in the north and northwestern India. That is your wheat. Next comes beta. Millets are coarse grains but have a very high nutritional value. Next comes maize is grown both as a food and fodder. Pulses are a major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. Next comes our cash crops are grown for the sale in the market. Tea is an important beverage in India. Come to the true false. Agriculture is a charitable activity which the people of India have been practicing since ages. False. Plantation is also a type of commercial farming. True. Wheat is a cash crop. False. Bajra goes well on sandy soil. This bajra grows on sandy soil. False. Tea grows well in warm and moist free climate. True. Written number 4 is also true. Number 5 is also true. India mainly produces the Arabica variety of coffee. True. Rubber grows well in Punjab and Haryana. False. Cotton grows well in black soil of the Deccan region. True. This match the following. Commercial farming, that is your E. High yielding variety seeds. Rice, that is your F. High temperature, high humidity, rainfall above 100 centimeter. Next is your bajra, sandy soil. Pulses, arhar, urad, moong, masur, gram. Coffee, arabica. Maize is your old alluvial soil. Come to the question answer beta. First is, what are the different types of farming practiced in India? There are two types of farming practiced in India: primitive subsistence farming, commercial farming. What do you mean by the food crops? What are the major food crops of India? Food crops are those crops which are grown primarily to be food crops are those crops which are grown primarily to be consumed by the farmers and his family. Rice, wheat, millet, pulses, and maize are the major food crops of India. Question number 3. What climatic conditions are needed for the growth of sugarcane? Sugarcane grows well in hot and humid climate with a temperature of 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and an annual rainfall between 75 centimeter and 100 centimeter. Question number 4 beta. In what condition does the tea and coffee grow? Tea and coffee grow well in warm and moist free climate. Next is your question number 5. Describe rubber and spices as cash crop. Rubber and spices are mainly grown for sale in the market. India is known for its rich spices all over the world. India exports its spices abroad. On the other hand, rubber is an important industrial raw material. Next question is beta, which crop is known as a golden fiber? Jute is known as the golden fiber. Question number 7. What agricultural developments have taken place in India in recent years? Agricultural development in terms of better quality seeds and better equipments have increased the overall productivity in agriculture. Number 8. How is livestock rearing practiced in India? Better write down this question in points. First point is your kettles and dairy cows, chickens. Then is your goats, pigs, horses. Sheep are raised by the farmers. They support them in main line farming and provide them with the additional income. But the last is your answer in 1 or 2 words. First is farming, which is characterized by the use of high yielding variety seeds, pesticides, chemical fertilizer, etc. in order to increase production. Commercial farming, crops which are primarily grown by the farmers and his family for consumption. Food crops, cash crops whose cultivation mainly takes place on the slopes of the Nilgiri Hills. Coffee, the period when Indian food production increased three times because of the advancement in agriculture methodology. Green Revolution, raising of cattle and dairy cows, chickens, goats, pigs, horses, sheep, livestock rearing. This was all, beta. Thank you.